going to discuss the concept of speed and velocity, or we can say difference between speed and velocity. In the earlier concepts we have discussed what is speed and what is velocity. Speed is distance travelled upon time taken, and velocity is displacement upon time. So now let us define the differences between speed and velocity. The first difference is it is distance travelled upon time. That means how much distance an object has travelled in the time and the ratio is known as speed, whereas velocity is displacement. Displacement upon time. And displacement is basically a straight line distance between the start point and the end point, and velocity is known as displacement upon time. So, and the second point is it is a scalar quantity. And it is vector. Scalar are those quantities in which only magnitude is involved. That means whenever we are defining speed, we will just say the amount of speed, the value of speed, irrespective of the direction, because the distance does not has any direction, so the speed does not have any direction. But when we are defining velocity, we are considering the displacement, and displacement is always involved is a vector quantity, because while defining displacement we have to give the value and the direction. So displacement is a vector quantity, as displacement is vector and it is being used to define velocity. So velocity is also a vector quantity. So the second difference is that speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. And for the third point we can have, it cannot be speed of a moving object cannot be zero. That means if an object is moving, the speed cannot be zero, because when the object is moving, certain distance has been travelled, and when the distance has been travelled, so the speed cannot be zero, but velocity can be zero. It can be zero because displacement can be zero. Because displacement can be zero for a moving object. Or we can say when the object is moving, the displacement can be zero. As displacement can be zero, so velocity can be zero. So now let us discuss what are the various cases when the displacement can be zero. We know that the displacement is the shortest distance between start and end, and if an object starts from a point and reaches the same point back, so we know that the displacement is zero. Now when the displacement is zero, the velocity will also be zero. That is, if an object starts from point A, B, C and it comes back, suppose it starts from A, it goes to B, C, D and then A. Or if an object is moving around a circle, it started from point A and reached point A. So we can say the displacement is zero. When the displacement is zero, so velocity will be zero. So we can say that even if an object is moving, the velocity can be zero. Whereas whenever the object is moving, the distance has been covered, so the speed cannot be zero. And the fourth point that we can discuss is it cannot be negative, because whenever an object is moving, certain distance has been travelled, so the speed cannot be negative, whereas velocity can be zero, positive and negative. So the velocity can be zero, positive and negative. Zero will be the case when the object starts from a point and reaches that point again. So we can say the velocity is zero, and if the object is moving in the positive direction, so we can say the velocity is positive, but if the direction of the object is different, if it has changed, and then we can say the velocity is negative. Suppose an object was moving in direction from A to B. If in this case the velocity is considered as positive, so when the object is coming back, the velocity will be negative. So we can say the velocity can have all the values positive, negative and 0, whereas the speed can have only positive value. Because if the object is moving, the speed will be always positive, and it cannot be 0, it cannot be negative, whereas velocity can have all the values 0, positive or negative. So these are the basic 4 differences between the speed and velocity. To sum up, we can say speed is distance travelled upon time and velocity is displacement upon time. So, and the second point is it is a scalar quantity and it is a vector quantity, because we know that distance is scalar and distance is used to find the speed. So the speed has to be a scalar quantity, and in this case the velocity is displacement upon time, and displacement can be negative. So displacement can be whenever we are defining displacement, we are considering the magnitude as well as the direction. So the as displacement is a vector quantity, so and it is being used to calculate velocity, so velocity is also a vector quantity. The third point is that the speed of a moving object cannot be 0, because whenever an object is moving, certain distance has been travelled, and as distance has been travelled, the speed cannot be 0. But whereas the displacement can be 0. As the displacement is 0, the velocity can be 0, because if an object starts from a point and reaches the point back, I have taken 2 cases. When the object starts from A, it goes to B, C and then D and back to A. Now the displacement will be 0. And if an object is moving around a circle and it reaches the starting point, even then the displacement is 0. Now the object has moved, but still the displacement is 0, so the velocity will be 0. And the fourth point is the speed cannot be negative, because whenever an object is moving, certain distance has been traversed, so it cannot be negative. Whereas velocity can be 0, negative and positive, because when the direction of the object changes, if it is going in the one direction and suppose it is going from A to B, and in this direction the velocity is being considered positive, and if it is coming back from B, the direction has changed, so the velocity will be negative. So we can say the velocity can have all the values 0, positive or negative. So these are all the differences we can define between speed and velocity.